Is this filming? I hope this is filming. Okay, so my flight is at 11:20. Right now it's, I don't know actually, I think it's like 7 something, and this is my room. So it's kind of a mess, but I'm gonna give you guys some tips on how to pack. Tip number 1, when you pack pants, the best way to do it so it flattens it out is put the pant like this, and then however many pants, just layer them on top. So you have it like this. And then whatever you have afterwards, you put it here, and then after you're gonna fold the pant over. So you guys might have seen this already in lots of different sites, but if you haven't, the best, most efficient way is rolling. Literally, you're just gonna take it, tuck it in, and roll it, preferably with 2 hands. Alright, so now I've gotten to the point where I've successfully eliminated like a good, I'd say a good 1/6, because while you're doing this, you should be trying to think of like what you really need, you know, what's really bulky, because they do check the weight. So you have to be careful or you're going to get charged extra. So right now I'm moving on to the camera portion, because that's, so I have my carry-on and I have my camera case, and that's going to be like my backpack if you don't have a camera. And so we're going to check what's going in there. So these are going to be just the little things. So this would either be in your purse, or in my case, a camera case. I would recommend always going with at least 1 good pair of glasses, and then a second one for fun. These are my fun ones. If you have room enough to bring 3, I would bring a black 100%, hands down. My favorite are just black aviators. So just use cases with like some kind of backing. Let's see what we have for my GoPro. I have to decide what I think is necessary and what isn't. So I have the actual GoPro stand, like selfie thing. It's a dildo. Just kidding. It's like a floating device for the GoPro. This is a headpiece. I also have a body piece, but I have to decide what I want. So now we've narrowed it down, so I don't need any of this. So one of the most important things to not forget, do not forget your chargers. I can't stress this enough. Seriously, don't forget your charger and bring extras. Right now I have 2 iPhone, superior, you know. 2 iPhone, I have 2 Samsung just in case. Second one, I gotta find it somewhere. And then your best friend, portable chargers, I swear to you. Wait, bring a USB, download your photos while you're on the trip. You know, sometimes you want to wait till you get home, but your card broke, your card is lost, you can't find it, someone stole your camera. My friend, if you're watching this, my Australian friend had his camera stolen. I don't even know how much money that was, but stolen from the hostel that he worked at. So you can't be too careful. I can't tell you how many stories I have being in a different country where I don't know the language, I don't even know any dialect. I have literally no idea how to get from place to place. I didn't even know what time my flight was because I didn't have any internet, no phone, not even a laptop to figure it out. I had to figure out how to use the phone, like the, you know, what's it called? The phone book? I don't know, the ones on the wall. But no one spoke English. Bring your chargers, moral of the story. Lastly, just like your outfit for the plane, always go with comfy. We're not Kendall Jenner. We don't need all that extra. We don't need heels. Unless you're going for business, and of course that makes sense. I'm wearing, I think you can't go wrong in monochrome. All one color, Looks good, you look polished, you look clean. And then just finish it off with some nice sunglasses. I literally just bought these and I'm so happy. Just clean, polished, fix up your hair. You don't really need anything. Moisturizer on your face. For the shoes too, I would go with a monochrome look. So these are my usual, you know. So they're comfortable, they're stylish, they're easy, they're slip-on. And they're a nice color. They're a pale purple, if you can't see. So violet. If you're not into sneakers, same thing goes with boots. Monochrome, slip-on, one color. Looks good, looks polished, put together. And it's still comfortable and it's still warm. Because what people forget is that the plane is fucking cold. Always bring socks. Don't be that person that brings, you know, sandals and then takes their shoes off and like puts them everywhere. Keep your socks on. And I think that's it. If you're someone like me that also gets really anxious right before a flight, don't forget to eat. Seriously. You're gonna feel really bad if you don't. You don't have to eat a big meal, but eat a home-cooked meal. Eat something good. Eat a protein and maybe like a little salad. I'm gonna go have salmon and a little bit of rice and a salad right now. And then I take peanuts with me. Peanuts are a super good source of like energy. So if you feel nervous, if you feel down, if you need a run for your plane, you're gonna have that energy if you eat some peanuts. And that is the end of my video. Peace out, guys.